It's the new secret of Brookhaven. I'm gonna show you how our secret update here. Let me show. Copy at this game.
Kuya Flo. Kuya Flo. Paki-close naman nun, Kuya Flo. May humahampas eh.
Hoy! Asa?
Yuck!
Hindi yan mabaho ah. Ano ka?
Hey,
That's not very girly of you, Kuya. Dapat nakagat ko kayo.
Ay, sorry. I forgot.
Yes, ate! Ay, ate Florence pala yan eh.
Ay, ano ba? Anin ko na yung ano.
Ano ba?
Tara. Teka, sabi ko
Oh.
anin ko muna to.
Kailangan din natin ng panlatag ba?
Kaya ako kuha ko din.
Kasi tingnan mo, sa hinihiga ni Kuya Florence, may paa ng ipis.
Ito bala ko.
Kuya Flo! Kuya Flo!
Ah.
Kuya Flo, alam mo yung hinihigan mo?
Ah,
May paa ng ipis.
ito, isasama ko to. Wag. Kaputi. So, sabihin.
wrong shot. Wrong shot, guys. Let me.
Oh, eh, ano? Ano yung bote mo?
Sorry, I might shot. There's a secret room key here.
Yung bat yung isang.
Secret room. But going under it. Where is it? Oh, here. That's what I made. Oh, here. I am a Chinese boy in a hood. Let me just try again. Yeah, I can't aim it over to the secret room. This must be that I cannot give up. Please, God, let me into the secret room. Then that's I need the secrets. Oh, hell! It teleported me back. Maybe it's the okay. Yo! That's crazy. They won't teleport me. Come on. Jeez, come on. I can give up. Yo, am I sitting? Yes. Duck Lord. Wait. Jeez. Come on. Come on, jeez. Come on. Let me just give up. Yes. Yo. Where's the pat? Yo. Where's the premium? Maybe it's deleted from the game. So guys, it's not true. Mr. Brookhaven just don't let us show that. See ya.